Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a video in Microsoft PowerPoint. So first of all, open the presentation in the Microsoft PowerPoint. So you will be on the home screen and there are 9 slides in this presentation that I have opened. Okay, so you need to click on the slideshow option right here in the menu bar and you will see an option called record slideshow. Okay, if you click this little arrow just below it, then you will get two options, that is start recording from beginning or start recording from the current slide. Now if I click on start recording from the beginning, okay, now it will again ask me select what you want to record before you begin recording. Slide and animation, narration, ink and laser pointer. Okay, now I will click on start recording here. Now you can see the recording has just started. I can simply pause it here. Now one of the things that you need to remember is that if you have Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365, that is Microsoft Office 2020 or 2021, then you will get a lot more options on this screen. Okay, you can use pen, you can even open the camera. Okay, uh, the front camera of your laptop, you can open it in the newer Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, this one is the Microsoft PowerPoint 2016, so I am getting only the recording option here. Okay, and I'm going to resume recording here. So welcome to PowerPoint. Fight is for a simpler way to work. Designer helps you get your point across. How to use PowerPoint Designer, Morph, setting up Morph, working together in real time. You are an expert. Tell me, explore without leaving your slides. More questions about PowerPoint? Now I'm going to simply, okay, now it is recorded and you can see the voice is coming here. Now what you need to do is go to the file here and click on the export option at the bottom. Now you can see the second option, that is create a video. Click on that. Now select the presentation quality, large file size or internet quality or low quality. So I'm going to select largest file size and highest quality. Use recorded time in narrations. So yes, of course we are going to use it. Now we are going to click on create video. Now this will be save as type MPEG-4 or Windows Media Video. Select the default one. I'm going to save it on desktop. Name your file and click on save. Now I can see creating video to PowerPoint.mp4. So the format is mp4. So it will take a bit of time depending upon the number of slides that you have. Okay, so it is creating fast. You can get the newest Microsoft Office 365 from the Microsoft website itself. You can download the free version from there, and if you like it, then you can purchase it from the Microsoft website. So there are like 9 slides in here, that's why it is taking a bit of time, and it is full with images, text and all that. Okay, maybe 20% more. Okay, now it's completed. Now we will go to the desktop and you can see the file here. Now I'm going to play this file. Now you can see The recording has just started. Okay, now you can see a file is of like around 35-36 seconds and the file is playing nicely. Designer to use PowerPoint. Okay, you can see it is playing. Now you can upload this file to anywhere on YouTube or wherever you want, on Dailymotion or any other website that you want to share the presentation. Okay, so this is how you can make a video in PowerPoint. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.